Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another 31 days of eyeshadow palettes here with me on my channel. Today we are going to be playing with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This is 3 out of 3 of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes that I have. This retails for $42 and it's still readily available everywhere you can find ABH. With that, let's get right on into this soft, easy, no lash look. Okay, so you guys are going to have to excuse how dirty my palette is. I mean, you may or may not can tell, I don't know. But the first thing that I'm going to do is tap into the shade Burnt Orange, which is this burnt orange shade right here. And I'm going to be doing that with my Morphe M535 brush, putting that all over the transition area. Next, going in with my Morphe M503 brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Mulberry, which is this pretty burgundy shade at the end of the palette, and I'm putting that only in my crease. Next, going in with my Morphe M507 brush into the shade Cypress Umber, I'm just going to focus that in the V area of my eye and a little bit in the crease. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe M124 brush into the shade Sultry, and I'm going to focus that more towards the outer edge of my eye, and then I'm going to be putting a little bit of rose pink in the inner corner of my eye. So after that, our easy look is finished by adding some mascara to both the bottom and top lashes. And literally, you guys, that is all. So here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another 31 days of eyeshadow palettes here with me on my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz. And I will see you guys tomorrow.